Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Six of Air, Sun, and Moon. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So in your circumstances, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. There are a lot of confusions, doubts. You do not know what to expect or what will happen. So things are going unexpectedly, your circumstances unfolding in a very unexpected way, and you don't know what will be the right thing or what will be better for you today in these circumstances. So you do not have any clarity how to plan or what to do or what to decide for yourself, guys. So you need to trust yourself, have trust in your skills and talents, your knowledge and experience. Find that strength in your heart to handle this situation. So you need to change the way you are approaching this situation. Maybe sometimes it may all look like something out of the fantasy world, something that you never ever expected to happen. So you do not know what is the reason for the situation and the truth behind these circumstances. So you do not see things with clarity today, guys. But at the perfect time, it is going to unfold, and you have faith in that. So maybe there may be a lot of confusion, doubts in your mind. So in your work, you do not know how your projects are going to turn out or what will happen. Or in this relationship where things are headed with this person. So some kind of you may see your situation as something like a dream. You cannot hold on to anything for sure today, guys. But we also have a very positive Sun card here, guys. So maybe your situation is going to turn around and you are going to find a solution for all that problems you are seeing today. So maybe you will learn the truth or you will know the truth today, guys, Capricorn. So whatever needs to be done, you will see it with clarity and your situation will turn around. So maybe there may be some difficulties, but it is going to end very soon, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. It is Queen of Air. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe you need to make a calculated move today. Maybe you have to think clearly what should be your next plan of action in your relationship. If you want to make this relationship work, you have to think and plan what needs to be done or what is the right way to handle your situation. Only your right way of decisions or the right decisions are going to help you in this relationship, guys, in this situation, Capricorn. So your talents are called for in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Justice. So with this card, guys, it just means that whatever is destined to happen will surely happen. So it may be something you expect or something you never expected. So whatever is the right thing for you, maybe what you did is what you are getting. That is what we mean by this card. So laws of cause and effect, karma you may call it, or destiny. So that is playing its part today. So in your career situation, you will get what you are destined to get today, guys, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys, cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit, So, in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit, and your what to say that shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really what to say clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to what to say be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your what to say that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.